What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. Today I'm going to show you how to take out your headlights on a 2008 Toyota 4Runner. So, as you can see, one of them's already gone, so I'm just going to turn on my brights so you can see the difference. So there's my bright, and there's my headlight. It goes right here. There's my bright, and these ones are both done. Super bright, and there's my headlight. So, we're going to go ahead and put these in. Take off the brights really quick so you can see what it looks like. So yeah, there's my running. There's my running. These have been swapped out with LEDs too. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how to, take them out and then go from there. So and replace it. So I took this one out already because I was having a heck of a time with it. So to get these out, just goes right in there, and then here's the bright. So to take it out, just turn it, and then pops out. So same thing with the headlight. So there's the headlight. I'm gonna go and take the new headlight just right here, and then it just plugs in. Make sure the tab goes with the tab. So take this. Again, sorry it's difficult doing this with one hand and windy today. It's freaking cold. So yeah, it's just gonna plug in to right there, and then you're gonna put the light back in, and then just tighten it down to make sure that it fits those grooves. That's really it. And again, there's that one. Here's the bright right here. Press on that little tab in the back. Same thing was right here. Press on the little tab right there in the back, and then kind of pull it out. It's easier with two hands, so I'm probably going to use two hands, and you might have to move your battery to do the driver's side, but we're going to see. And then over here, you don't need to move anything. And here's what they look like in. So I can kind of show you. So this is what they look like. Kind of just turn them like that, and they come out. Line it back up. Make sure everything fits the groove. Turn it, and then it's locked in. Super simple, super easy. Same thing with your bright. So all the lights will just kind of turn in and out just like that. And then when it lines up, do that. So yeah, and you can see it over here. Here's the tabs a little bit better. Push down on this. You can kind of hear it maybe. Push down, pull out. That's it. So super simple, super easy. Again, I'm not going to really show you the driver's side, especially because it's going to require two hands to do this side. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them at the bottom, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you for watching 303 Streets. Like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you.